Why Japanese students remember everything, 9 smart study techniques. Have you ever studied for hours, for a test, an exam, or something you truly wanted to remember, only to forget almost everything the very next day? You're not alone. Research shows that the human brain forgets nearly 70% of new information within 24 hours. That doesn't mean you're lazy or not intelligent. It's simply how memory works. But here's the surprising part. In Japan, students memorize thousands of complex characters and remember them for years. So how do they do it? Are they born smarter? Do they study non-stop? No. The truth is simple. They don't study harder. They study smarter. Most of us were never taught how to actually study. We were told to highlight textbooks, reread notes, or cram the night before exams. These methods feel productive, but they don't work. It's like pouring water into a leaking bucket. You put in effort, but nothing sticks. Your brain treats passive learning like background noise. That's why there's something called the forgetting curve. Without the right techniques, your brain lets go of information within days. But the good news is this: you can beat the system. You don't need more time. You need better methods. Here are 9 powerful learning techniques inspired by Japanese study habits that help information stick for the long term. 1. Active recall. Most students try to learn by reading or watching videos. But real learning happens when you pull information out of your brain. This is called active recall. Close your book. Take a blank page. Write down everything you remember, without looking. It feels difficult, but that struggle strengthens memory. Just like muscles grow under pressure. Your brain grows when it works. 2. The Kaizen method, small daily learning. Japanese students don't cram. They learn in small daily sessions, usually 15 to 30 minutes. Think of learning like stacking blocks, one at a time. Small efforts, done daily, create massive results. A 1% improvement every day makes you 37 times better in a year. Consistency beats intensity. 3. Spaced repetition. Memory works like watering a plant. You don't dump all the water at once. You water it over time. Study today. Review tomorrow. Then again after a few days, then a week. Each review strengthens the memory and stops it from fading. 4. Kaizen, continuous improvement. Kaizen means small daily progress. You don't need hours of study. Even 6 minutes a day works. Try this. 2 minutes of active recall. 2 minutes of spaced repetition. 2 minutes of focus practice. Do this daily, and after 1 month, you'll see a massive improvement. 5. Deep focus rituals. Japanese students train focus using simple rituals. Same desk. Same time. Same pen. These signals tell the brain, it's time to learn. Remove distractions. Create a calm routine. Deep focus helps your brain learn faster and remember longer. 6. The Feynman technique, learn by teaching. If you can't explain something simply, you don't fully understand it. After studying, explain the topic in basic words, as if you're teaching a child. When you get stuck, you found a weak spot. Fix it, then explain again. Teaching turns knowledge into mastery. 7. Writing over reading. Japanese students write more than they read. Reading is passive. Writing is active. Rewrite ideas in your own words. Use bullet points or short summaries. Writing forces your brain to slow down and store information deeply. 8. Interleaved practice, mix topics. Instead of studying one topic for hours, mix related subjects together. Switching topics feels harder, but it strengthens memory and understanding. Easy learning fades. Challenging learning lasts. 9. Sleep-based learning. Sleep is not wasted time. It's when memory is locked in. Study a little before sleep. Get proper rest. Even a short nap can improve recall. Your brain continues learning while you sleep. Final message. You don't need to use all 9 techniques. Just start with 1 or 2. Small steps create big changes. The top 1% of learners aren't smarter. They simply learned how to learn. Now you know their secret. If this helped you, subscribe for more smart learning tips like this.